Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can create your customized and personalized user handle on Figma. For example, to use it when communicating with the Figma community. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Figma account, log into it, and here in the top left click into your username, and after that click into settings here. Inside your account settings, switch from the account tab at the top to community. And here guys, if you haven't done it yet, you will be given the opportunity to claim your handle. Here, create your public profile by clicking on claim your handle. So do that. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to create your custom personalized handle. So let me use my username for that, for example. And of course, Figma will check if the given handle hasn't been taken yet, which is of course not the case here. So I can use that one. Also guys, you can use up to 15 characters, including letters, numbers, or underline. And that's basically it. After that, confirm by clicking on create profile. And that's it. After that, you'll be given, you will be assigned to that, or that handle will be assigned to you here. And that's it. Now you can use it, for example, in the Figma community. Click on done to confirm that. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.